Guys, so welcome back to my channel, Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make a simple easy bucket hat using the Caron Cake yarn. So for this yarn it says a limited time only, and it actually comes with the bucket hat. So I will be making the same exact one, it's just in a different color. It actually comes with the instructions and well, the pattern into the sleeve here. So I will be following along from that. And so guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love this tutorial and you'll be able to make one of your own. So if you're near a Michael's store, you can go ahead and grab one. They're in different colors. They have this one as well and other colors, but I choose to use this I think the name is Oasis, and it comes with 165 yards, and the recommended hook is a size 6 millimeter. So guys, let's jump in the video. So guys, to begin, we will start off by making a magic ring. So you can make your magic ring however comfortable you feel. So I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers just like this and pull up a loop, and I'm going to chain 1 into that ring. I am going to put 10 half double crochets. So yarn over, go into the ring and make a half double crochet. If you don't know how to make a half double crochet, you will yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and that's how you make a half double crochet. Continue doing that all the way around until you have a total of 10, and I'll meet back with you. So guys, now I have 10 half double crochet into the ring. Now I'm just going to pull in my tail end to close that middle part up, and then I am going to slip stitch into our first half double crochet, and then I am going to chain up 2, go back into that same stitch, and you're going to put 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Into the remaining stitches around, you're going to put 2 half double crochets. You should have a total of 20 half double crochets at the end. So I'll see you there. So guys, now I've come to the end of row 2. Now you are going to slip stitch just as you did before. Chain 2. And into that first stitch, you are going to yarn over, go back into that stitch and make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to put 2 half double crochets. So the sequence for row 3 is 1 half double crochet and then 2 in the next. You're going to continue doing that all the way around, and you should have a total of 30 stitches remaining at the end. So I'll see you there. So guys, now I have come to the end of row 3, and this is what it looks like so far. So moving along, you're going to slip stitch as usual. Chain up 2, yarn over, go back into that same stitch. Let me just redo that. Okay, so you're making your first half double crochet there. You're going to yarn over, going to the next stitch and make a half double crochet. So the sequence for row 4 is 2 half double crochet in separate stitches and then 2 in the next. I am going to put row 5 and row 6 on the screen so you'll be able to follow along. Once you get to the end of row 6, then I'll meet back with you. So continue doing that all the way around, and I will see you at the end. of row 6. So guys, now I have come to the end of row 6, and this is what the top of the hat looks like. So now moving on, so from row 7 to 14, you will only put 1 half double crochet into each stitch around. So make sure that you do your slip stitch, chain up 2, and then your first half double crochet into that same stitch. So that's 1. Continue doing half double crochets all the way around, because now you're making the body of the hat. So I will put that on the screen so you can follow along. You'll be putting 1 half double crochet into each and every stitches around until you get to the end of row 14, and I'll meet you back there. So guys, now I have come to the end of row 14, and this is what the hat looks like so far. So moving along, we are going to slip stitch and chain up 1 and 2, and we're going to work into the front loop of each stitches. So yarn over, go into the front loop, into that same stitch where you did your slip stitch, make 1 half double crochet there, and 1 half double crochet into the next. Continue doing that all the way around. You'll be making the flap of the hat now, or the brim. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then in the next stitch you're gonna put 2 half double crochet, and you're gonna repeat that sequence all the way around by placing 5 half double crochet in separate stitches and then 2 in the next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then 2 in the next. So I'll see you at the end. So guys, now I have come to the end of row 15, and this is what the hat looks like so far. So now moving along, we are going to slip stitch into our first stitch here, chain up 2, and now we are going to work into both loops. But what we're going to do is we're going to work 6 half double crochet and then 2 in the next. So I'm going to put the instruction on the screen so you can follow along until we reach to the end, which we will end off at row 21. So after you finish this first row here where we did the half double crochet into the front loop, you should have a total, let me see here, a total of 70 stitches. So at row 16 you should have a total of 80 stitches. So I'll put it on the screen so you can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 2 in the next. Continue doing that all the way around, and I'll see you at the end. So guys, and now I have come to the end here, and I have 2 stitches remaining for my slip stitch. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fasten off, and this is what I have left back from the skein. So what I did an extra row on the brim so that I have 21 rows in total from the top to the bottom. If you want to put an extra row, you can do that, but that's optional. I just wanted to put an extra row. So now I am just going to go ahead and go through these 2 loops here, and then go underneath just to weave that tail end in. And our hat is completed. So it's quite quick and easy. This hat works up really fast, so you can do this hat in an hour. And the instructions on the label was really easy to follow as well. So as I stated, I will be putting on the screen all the other rows so you can follow along that I did not do on camera. So there it is, guys. The hat is completed. I love the way how it looks. I like the feel of the hat. It is very wonky. I like how light and fluffy it feels, and the beach tone color is looking super cute. So this on the label it says that this is an adult size. I would recommend, if you are of a bigger circumference, to probably do 1 or 2 more rows for the diameter of the hat of the top here, if you have a bigger head. But if this one fits well, I will be putting in the description box on the measurements for this hat. So guys, thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.